How to change country of YouTube channel. If any day any of you are a YouTube channel content creator and you would like to change the country of your YouTube channel, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. If any day you are on your very mobile device, that may be your Android device or your iOS, you can just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the YT Studio on your mobile device. If you have already downloaded and installed the YT Studio on your mobile device, it's okay. Otherwise, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, you have to search YT Studio on the top like this. And after you search YT Studio like this, you can see an interface like this. Now you can tap on the first option, that is YouTube Studio. After you tap on the first option, YouTube Studio, now you can see that this very interface will appear, but you have to make sure that for this you have login to your very YouTube channel. Now after that, in the down section like this, you can see the option of the settings. Now you have to tap on that. Now after you tap on that, you can see that the option of the settings like this will appear. Now after an interface like this will appear, you have to go to the next option, that is channel. And after you tap on channel, you can see an interface like this, that is the basic info. Now here in the option of country of residence, you have to tap on that, and from here you can select any of the country that you want. For example, I selected Bulgaria here, or the Dominican Republic. Now after that, I just tapped on that and go to the option of save like this. Now after tapping on save, it will be saved and you can change your very country on the very YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.